Hello everybody. Today we're going to do some simple Play-Doh. We got our ingredients, which is flour, oil, cooking salt. We got some food flavors. We got some spices, ground cinnamon. You can choose your food flavor or the spice of your choice. And I've got a few equipments here. Long wooden spoon, short wooden spoon. I've got rolling pin. I've got a knife. And I've got a spoon. So we're going to start by putting a cup of flour into a bowl. 1 cup of flour. I'm pouring half a cup of salt. You can reduce the salt if you want to. And I'm going to put 3 spoons of cooking oil. 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of cooking oil. You can make it 2 big tablespoons of cooking oil. Then you gradually add your hot water. Parents, you've got to be careful because the water is hot. Or you can mix it by adding cold water. So you gradually put in the water into your mix and you keep stirring. Keep stirring. Mix it with the wooden spoon a bit. If you think it's too sticky, you can add a bit of flour. Or you can add a bit of water, depending on the consistency. Because we want the children to have the sensory experience, we can now put the wooden spoon to the side, and then parents and children, you can use your hands, using your fingers to knead the dough. It really gives a very nice sensory experience. And then you can know when you want to add a bit more flour or a bit more water. You can also put in some food flavor, a little flavor, to make it smell nice, depending on what you want. You can add food color, or you can use powder paint or any form of paint in the house, especially what children used to learn at nursery. And then you got your Play-Doh. Nice, soft, very squishy, stretchy. You can now put your bowl on the side, put the Play-Doh on the table, put a bit of flour, and use your spoon again to scoop your flour. And you can do kneading on the table. So the Play-Doh has lots of benefits. There's good hand and eye coordination. At the same time, there's lots of language going on when it comes to Play-Doh. And because Play-Doh is very simple, there isn't any particular means of handling Play-Doh. There's no right or wrong way of handling Play-Doh, which is very good for children because its benefits are endless. They are learning about the texture of the Play-Doh. Also, they can mold it into different shapes, different forms. They can make wriggly worms. They can make their own sausages. And at the end of your child's play, you can store the Play-Doh in a plastic bag